What is up, everybody? Okay, it's the next day, and it's pretty late already. But I'm gonna show you guys some things that I finished and what I was doing today. First of all, I was working on. Yeah, there we go. The color's back. Okay, so I was working on the side skirts. I had to cut off the previous glue that was on the side skirt, so we got rid of that. I got as well everything prepared yesterday. The color code is already on the front lip. I will have to put the clear coat is going on today as well. I'll show you the product, or basically the clear coat, later once we go downstairs where we're gonna paint. But I wanted to show you the side skirts. I did wash them out. Want to see how they look after being washed, and as well I want to show you how much glue I managed to get rid of. Okay, so as you can see, there was like glue here. Wait, let me turn this around. There we go. So you can see that's like the rest of the glue, and I was cutting that out to have space for fresh glue for tomorrow. Basically, this is the rest. That's the rest of all the old glue. But yeah, they're washed out. They're black. I mean, they're not the prettiest, but they're fine, you know. Let me turn it around. There we go. For what I'm gonna be using them for the beginning, they're gonna be pretty okay. Okay, they're not gonna look the best, but I'm happy I actually managed to find it. My battery is blinking, okay? My battery is gonna be low. I will catch you guys once we go downstairs to put the clear coat, okay? So I'll see you downstairs. Okay, what is up? We're downstairs in the basement. We just put the clear coat on, and it doesn't look good. I don't know what happened. We just put the clear coat on, and it looks odd. It looks hella odd. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. It's white. Why the fuck is it white? You see, I mean, maybe that's normal, but I don't remember clear coat making stuff this white, because it was black. So there's like that white shade, gray shade on it that shouldn't be there. I don't know, but it's just freshly painted. We should give it a night so it's dry, and then we're gonna see the result tomorrow, basically. I will be mounting everything up tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day. We have so much stuff to do. We have to mount the wheels, the side skirts, the front lip. We're lowering the car. Everything's happening tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow's gonna be a big day. I'm probably gonna split it into 2 videos because it's just gonna be so much stuff to do. But yeah, I'll show you the end result of it tomorrow. I don't know why it's that white. I don't know. But thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out another vlog. As always, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you still didn't. Like the video if you did enjoy it, and leave a comment. What do you think? Why is it white? I'm just curious. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, which is gonna be everything mounted up and getting the car ready for vacation. Okay? As always, stay awesome, stay cool. I'll see you next time. Peace.